Hey lovelies, so this is right after a while after I closed off the last vlog. I was trying to get those paint marks up on the thing, like that little paint up there, out of here, and usually I have a next bar up there and it holds my plant. Hello. And while I was up on the chair trying to rub all the paint off, the bar fell and my plant fell. But because my table was so close to the wall that the plant didn't fully fall all the way to the ground, and I was happy about that. It's just a few little dirt on the ground. I'm fine with that. It's just I'm sitting down here now to edit last vlog, which is Vlogmas Day 8, and I saw this on my XP pen deco one. So it's like, apparently the bottom part of the metal rod fell and dug into the plastic, and I was like, oh, it's just the plastic, it'd be fine. And then you lift up this and you see that. So right now I have no funds to replace this. I am terrified to see if it's working or not. Right now it's Schroeder's cat kind of conspiracy. Once the cat is in the box with uranium or whatever poisonous thing he put the cat in, which is, by the way, animal cruelty, it could or couldn't work. Could or could not be working. Okay, so best case scenario, it doesn't affect it and I just can't draw in this area, which I mostly draw in this area anyhow. Worst case scenario, so XP pen, I want to send that up. Oh my gosh, I do most of my art with this. I have to finish my coloring with this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I'm going to, like, you know, try not to freak out as I edit the vlog. Okay, bye. Okay, lovelies. So I finally made it home, and whoo, wow, so bright. And whoo, just in time because rain just fell. As soon as I walk in the door, 2 seconds later, rain. So I saw somebody's car. So I was able to get to Poutine to talk to the counselor. I also, gosh man, out there wear masks for a long period of time, you still have that feeling of the mask on your face, like when you're in water for long and then, you know, you come out of the water, you still feel like you're floating. Yeah, that's how it feels for me with the mask. So I went down and I said, oh, I could kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And I said, okay, I will go there and I'll go OJT. So OJT is on the job training. It's a Trinidad based work program for people who you know, just want the experience. And I talked to the counselor, and as I show you guys, I forgot my shoes since I got her dropped down the road. So it was like, you know, since I got dropped down the road, I was hustling to leave, so I didn't even think, oh god, my shoes. So I'm always accustomed wearing my slippers. So so hot wearing this thing all day. This is such shaky footage. Okay, let me sit down. Okay, good. So, I talked to the counselor. Slippers and all. I didn't feel proud about it, but I forgot about it. And then I went to OJT, and they were like, no, we are not talking to you unless you have shoes. And I was like, I'm wearing a suit all the way down. I look presentable all the way down except the shoes. So I was to go back home, put on the shoes, and go back. And I think I wouldn't have been so mad if they kept me hours talking to me or something, but I literally just dropped off the envelope. They just checked my originals to compare, and that was it. And I didn't even go in the building. I was out the building because of COVID. They shut down the whole building, so people could only talk to the people against the door. So I'm like, I understand it's a serious thing and they have a strict dress code, but it was like so annoying now. I was to go all the way home, put on the shoes just to drop off an envelope. Just literal 2 minutes of their time. Anyhow, right now I'm hungry, and since I'm broke, I'm making something. I didn't feel like buying anything, so I'm making mac and cheese from scratch because I don't like that box thing. That don't taste good. And also I'm going to watch some YouTube videos because I've been walking up and down Point, especially when I have to come back home and go back down the road. And the rain feeling good, and I'm still tired because I'm so accustomed waking up 10-11 o'clock that I was wake up real early. It's so early. I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't woken up this early in so long. I was to hit the snooze button. How much time? I am. So I'm off to make some mac and cheese. Yay!
You're gorgeous. You're perfect and imperfect. But that's the beauty of your magic.
We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright.
Okay, so I've done eating lunch and I've laid around for a while now watching YouTube, and I was thinking maybe I should go on the computer and try out the tablet to see if it works, or I can try to clean the ceiling.
Surely you know you're a flower, reflecting the sun's rays. Come and seize the day, so everyone you come around can say cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconut, sugar and spice, everything nice. Percolating coffee beans, love inside of everything, giver of life, genuine eyes. Give me a little elixir full of your magic. We are fighting for what's right, adorned by cheese light. We gon' be alright, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright, we gon' be alright. So we gon' be alright. Sunshine and Kalechi, gotta be fond of me. I see my imperfections. Let the masterpiece that was created shine through me. If you can see it, I should be it. Inspiration, I'm created holy and sacred. I won't hang my head, I got to claim my own power. Reflecting the sun's rays, I can seize the day. Then everyone I come around will say, nobody like me has ever walked this earth. And I can't love nobody till I love me first. I've got all of the tools I need inside this little potion, because I know the truth behind what all black girls are made of. Cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconuts, percolating coffee beans, the love that's inside everything. Don't forget a teaspoonful of honey and vanilla. Spread your wings, I see you queen, I see you queen, I see us. Cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconuts, sugar and spice, everything nice. Percolating coffee beans, love inside of everything.
So one of these things quickly snowballed yesterday. I was like, I'm just cleaning the ceilings. I'm not ready to paint my room, but right now my room is in such a disarray. I'm sleeping on the floor of the school. And for those of you who know, my mom owns a preschool and it's attached to our house, so it's not in use right now, but still. I'm on my mattress on the ground because my bed, it was custom built and it was assembled in my room, so therefore it cannot come out my room unless it's like, you know, you take it apart, and it's really hard to take apart. So I'm like, you know what, that will stay inside there. So my room is just, everything is come together in the center, and it's in such a big disarray. I'm like, screw this, screw tradition about running crunch time. I'm painting my room today. And that kind of gives me a headache because my arms, they ache, my feet, they ache, everything aches, but the uncomfortableness that I feel and my room is in a disarray is making me mad. So I guess I'm painting today. Alright, so first I need to actually get off the bed. Whoa. And I might correct myself. It's not a bed. Mattress off the floor. Everything hurts. Okay, definitely. So you see the war zone that is my room. As you saw, I got to move this by myself. It's very heavy. Don't know how I got to move it. And now I am getting rid of this table. It's more trouble than it's worth. So I'm getting rid of it because I'm freaking fed up of it. And I'm just going to take everything down off the walls, get this table out of here, and then get to painting. And you see, this shit happened last year too. It was last year or the year before. Whenever. I was just supposed to do something simple, like to make room for the pink cart. Look at here now. For the pink cart. And I end up carting 3 garbage bags of stuff out of my room. Oh no, here it goes.
Sunshine and Kalechi, gotta be fond of me. I see my imperfections and I think it's got a hold on me. Gotta let the masterpiece that was created shine through me. If you can see it, I should be it. Inspiration, I'm created holy and sacred. I won't hang my head, I got to claim my own power. Reflecting the sun's rays, I can seize the day. Then everyone I come around will say, nobody like me.
Look what I found, guys. My failed mermaid painting. I tried to use watercolor on canvas without gesso because I didn't know what gesso was there. Should I paint this over and do something I actually like and put it up on the wall? You know, just leave comments.
Honey and vanilla, spread your wings, I see you queen, I see you queen, I see us. Cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconut, sugar and spice, everything nice. Percolating coffee beans, love inside of everything, giver of life, genuine eyes. Give me a little elixir full of your magic. We are fighting for what's right, adorned by cheese light. We gon' be alright, we gon' be alright. Cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconut, sugar and spice, everything nice. Percolating coffee beans, love inside of everything, giver of life, genuine eyes. Give me a little elixir full of your magic. We are fighting for what's right, adorned by cheese light. We gon' be alright, we gon' be alright. More magical than mermaids and unicorns combined. Always a blessing in your presence when your little light shines. You're divine, radiant, beautiful, magnificent, melanated, orchestrated, peace, unregulated. You're everything to me because I'm yours and you're me. I love when your kinks and chords flow freely. God made you of all the things the world so desperately needed. You are a force. You miss. I nod to you. I respect you. I'll protect you. I'll I'll cherish you because you're worth it. You're gorgeous. You're perfect and imperfect. But that's the beauty of your magic.
We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright.
No, mama, we don't cry here. Thank God we don't die here.
I had to take out the vest. It was so sweaty. Oh my gosh. I'm done. I'm done. I just had to paint my door. And I'm done. But oh my gosh. Guys. My arms ache. Everything hurts. I'm gonna take a break. End of vlog. Thank my patrons. Show up on the screen. Thank you, lovely, so much. See you next vlog. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying.
We are fighting for what's right, adorned by cheese light. We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright.